Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello to all my subscribers and all the viewers. So guys, today I'm gonna make an arm sleeve, and at the same time it will be halfway gloves. And come and join me guys and take a look at my materials. So this one is from a leggings, the leg of the leggings. So this one will be the arm sleeve, and I put a hole in it here for the thumb later, because this will be like halfway gloves. And I'll be using also this kind of lace and a scissor and a needle. So guys, let's get started. So guys, I'll be putting this lace in here. This one is for the line here. Okay, this one is best when you are like riding a motorcycle, then you don't feel like wearing your jacket, and then you can wear this one for the ladies. This for the ladies, I mean, not for the men. I'm doing now is for the ladies, not for the men. Okay, so this is a fashionable arm sleeve for the ladies. If you don't feel like wearing your jacket, because sometimes it's annoying to wear a jacket, it's too hot and like it feels like uncomfortable, so you can wear this one, because this can easily remove when you don't use it anymore. For example, you're going to the mall, then you can just remove this one if you don't like it wearing this one at the mall. This one guys is for just the design, the lace. You can also design whatever you like when you do this one. If you have leggings, you can just cut it and make it as an arm sleeve. So I'm gonna cut the excess lace. So guys, it's already done. It's already done here. I put a hole in it here for the thumb. So I will try it now and I will show you guys. This will look like this. Okay, so this is it guys, it's already done. So it looks like this, and the palm and the thumb. So you must put a hole in it for the thumb like this. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you liked it, and please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. See, if you don't like wearing your jacket, you can wear this one to avoid the UV rays of the sun. So that's it guys for now. Thank you. Bye for now.